Digital marketing, one of the most important skills in 2023. Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share everything that you should know about digital marketing and different career options in digital marketing, different ways to earn through digital marketing, how to learn digital marketing, free resources to learn digital marketing, every other thing that you need to know about digital marketing. Let's get into the video. What actually is digital marketing? In general, digital marketing is just making use of internet and social media to grow the business. Let's suppose there is a company and that company is selling some products. They want to sell more products using digital marketing. How can they do that? They will use internet, they will use social media to expose their product to people around the world. In order to get noticed by people, they need to advertise, right? This is what we call digital marketing. Earlier, there is only marketing. So there were different ways to do marketing earlier. The first one is we advertise using billboards and hoardings. And the other way is like we advertise through televisions, we advertise through radios, we advertise through newspapers. These are all traditional marketing strategies. But the problems with those kind of marketing strategies is the reach. So if you advertise on newspaper on a district edition, only few people have the access to it, and not everyone will focus on every detail in a newspaper. So that is the drawback. And if you go with hoardings or billboards in cities, only people who cross through that way will have the visibility, and you need to spend a lot. There are many drawbacks in traditional marketing. Companies need to spend a lot in traditional marketing because it is not really affordable to advertise in television or newspaper. That is not for everyone, even the billboards and hoardings. So that is the reason why digital marketing comes into picture. So if company want to promote their product to digital marketing, there are many ways. They can run an advertisement, use social media, they will promote their products to social media, maintain a website, and they will make sure they apply SEO to it. If people search for something on Google, the website will be shown to them. In this way, you will get visibility to the people who need your product actually. So there are many different ways out there. Companies or brands can use digital marketing to reach more people and improve their business. And it is a very cost effective way as well. Not only for brands out there, even individuals, like if you are a content creator, like you need to make sure that you follow these digital marketing strategies so that you can be visible to more people out there. Or if you want to maintain a personal brand, you also need to be aware of digital marketing strategies and trends so that you can be visible to many people. See, digital marketing is not just for companies, and like digital marketing is for everyone. The importance and prominence of digital marketing is growing in such a way that every individual these days needs digital marketing. We will see some numbers which will tell about the importance of digital marketing. Around 6 billion people in the world have access to the internet. 4.9 billion in the world use social media. 93% of the millennials prefer shopping online than offline. People spend over 3.5 hours in a day using mobile phones. Digital marketing is the only area which is compounding at the rate of 10% in the last 2 to 3 years. The growth of digital marketing is growing at a rate of 10% every year. SEO is the most revenue generating activity for 90% of the businesses out there. So these are the facts that will tell you that digital marketing is something that you need to watch out for, because with all the people have access to internet and social media, it is now easy for any individual or brand to advertise their product to them. And that is the power of digital marketing. Now let's see some advantages of digital marketing, why it is really getting popular. The first advantage is lower cost. See, in general, if you want to advertise in newspaper or a television, it will take you lakhs. Sometimes even it will take crores if you want to advertise in a newspaper or television. But digital marketing is same for any individual. If you want to advertise your product in a set particular city, you can do that. If you want to advertise your product in a certain country, you can do that. If you want to advertise your product to certain set of people, you can do that, and with low cost. Low cost is not like 50% or 70% of the cost that you spend on traditional marketing. No, you literally spend less than 1% of what you spend for traditional marketing in digital marketing. That is the beauty of digital marketing. Second advantage is global reach. As I said, you can choose your target audience here. If you want to advertise in say a few countries, you can do that. If you want to advertise across the world, you can do that. You can reach out to people across the world easily. So that is the other advantage of digital marketing. The other advantage is you can use multiple strategies here. It's not that you can use only advertising. You can do SEO for your website. You optimize your website in such a way that people who needs your products, people who need to read content in your website, they will land into your website easily. So there are many different ways where you can use internet and social media to promote your products or to advertise your business. So that is where like the advantage of multiple strategies comes into picture. And the other advantage is higher engagement. Like if you're scrolling through your Instagram and you will see an ad and the form of a post, so sometimes like we will not recognize that that is an ad. We will see like someone has posted it in our feed. So some if we watch that at least, right? So let's suppose you are watching a YouTube video and in the first 30 seconds there is an ad playing. You can only skip that after 30 seconds. So you will at least watch it, right? You'll at least glance at what it is talking about. Sometimes without our notice that it will come into your mind. If you watch that ad multiple times without our notice, like we've already included that brand in your brain. And if you watch that for multiple times, that ad will be shown everywhere you. If that there is a high engagement. If you search for something in Google and if you see some ads in that Google related to that topic, there are more chances that you will click that topic and see what it is because you search it for that, right? So that is the power of digital marketing. There are chances that there is a high engagement, but when it comes to newspapers or televisions, you might not need that, right? It will be shown to you. So that is the drawback of traditional marketing. But in digital marketing, more chances that you will engage with that ad. And the other advantage is measurable results. There were many softwares and tools out there which can measure how the particular marketing activity is performing, how many viewed your advertisement, how many visited your website, how many clicked your ad. You can measure everything out there. There are many tools like Google Analytics which made it possible, but in traditional marketing it is not possible, right? So you can only advertise on television or newspaper, but you don't know like how many viewed that, how many responded to that. You cannot get to know the analytics there, but it is possible in digital marketing. The other important advantage is personalization. So as we have already covered this earlier, digital marketing allows brands to show personalized ads. Like if you search for something on Google, if you open any other social media app, you will see the ad related to the search term. Search something on Amazon or Facebook, you will see that in Google, right? Or you will open Instagram and you will see that ad. You will see something related to that. The entire day you will be shown ads related to what you searched for in particular app. So that is the power of digital marketing. So it will only be shown to people who needs that, so that they can reduce their cost and they will have the higher engagement. So these are the advantages of digital marketing. That is the reason why it has so much of demand. Skills needed for digital marketing. If you can ask me like how to learn digital marketing. So we know what digital marketing is. We know what are the advantages of digital marketing. What are the skills needed? So there were many skills out there. Like I will list out 6. First one is content creation and marketing. You need to know how to create content or how to market your content. That is important because let's suppose there is a company, if they want to get exposure with people around the world, they need to be in social media, they need to create content, they need to showcase them to the external world. So that is only possible if you know, if you have an idea about content. There are many different ways, right, to market your content. The first way is, let's suppose you might create a website and post blogs about your brand, or you will create an Instagram page or a YouTube channel or a LinkedIn page to post content about your stuff. So that is the only way where people get to know about your thing, right? So is the reason why content creation or content marketing is very important. You know how to show your content to the people. So that is an important skill. That is only possible when you have some awareness of how content works, how to post content. You need to be good at least one thing, at least one content form. It might be building a website to show your products or creating content in social media to expose your brand. You need to be good with at least one thing. So you can become a content marketer if you are good at content creation and content marketing stuff. And second skill is SEO. SEO is a very important skill. More than 60% of the entire web traffic in the world is organic traffic. So organic traffic is all about like people will find your content by themselves. If you share something on social media or if you do advertisement to promote your product in internet, so it will not come under organic marketing. Organic marketing is all about you build your content in such a way that is SEO friendly. Let's suppose you build a website and you know how to do SEO to that, how to use catchy titles or searchable keywords in your content. You know how to name your blog, you know how to use URL. Then ultimately people search for something on Google or something on internet, they will find your website. So it is applicable to social media as well. So if you create content in such a way that can land in such results, it might be YouTube video, Instagram post, whatever it might be, then ultimately people will respond, people will engage with that. So that is the power of SEO. So you can become an SEO analyst or SEO executive if you learn this skill. And third important skill is email marketing. So in general, email marketing is something that you market by sending emails. For that you need to have an email list. So there are many ways to do that. Let's suppose if you have a website or if you have a social media handle, and in one or the other way you are collecting emails. If you have a newsletter, you might see, like if you open many websites, they will ask you to enter your email to subscribe for newsletters. Signing up on something, it will ask you to, there will be a checkbox in the bottom, like by clicking this I agree to get email notifications or newsletter from so and so brand or something. So companies use those ways to collect emails, and they will send their information to our emails regularly. So that is what email marketing is. Email marketing is very profitable in general when compared to other digital marketing strategies. Email marketing has 4,400% return on investment. Email marketing is a very profitable niche. So you can become an email marketing analyst or email marketer if you learn this skill. And fourth important skill is PPC. It's pay per click. So this is something which is very popular these days, and people will also call it performance marketing. You can use Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads. Every social media platform has their own ads platform. So if you can learn those skills, learn how to use Google ads or Facebook ads, you will be paid a lot, because you know how to advertise on Google, because Google is largest search engine. So they will advertise on all Google related products like Google and YouTube. If you advertise on Facebook, they will advertise your products on all Facebook related apps like Facebook, Instagram, etc. So this is what PPC is. So you can become a performance marketer or PPC analyst or ad specialist by learning this skill. Another thing is social media management. If you're very good with content design or graphic design, if you know how to, if you understand social media well, then you can become a social media manager, manage social media handles of brands. One of the high paying skill as well, because many individuals, many influencers, many brands need someone who can take care of all their social media handles. So that is also a high paying skill. An important way of digital marketing is influencer marketing. So for that, the skill that you need to know is communication and collaboration. You might see famous influencers and celebrities posting ads about brands. So that is an influencer marketing. They pay money to an influencer to promote their product. Not every influencer will reply to you, right? So only if you know how to cold email people, how to collaborate with people, how to write emails, so how to reach out to influencers. So that is also a skill, and that is not something very easy. You can become an influencer marketer by learning that skill. So these are all the 6 areas of digital marketing. You know at least more than one, you can become a digital marketer easily. Even if you know one skill perfectly, you can become a specialist in that skill. Now, how to learn digital marketing. So this is an important thing. So you know what are the things available in digital marketing, what are the advantages of digital marketing, how to learn that skill. So if you are following me a long time, you might know that I have created a 10-hour playlist on digital marketing. I have covered all the 6 areas of digital marketing. So you can find the playlist link in the description as well. You can check it out. So I believe that is something which is enough to start you with. So if you still want to look for any other resources, like, so there are courses on digital marketing by Google. Google has a platform called Digital Garage where they will host courses on digital marketing for free. You can learn them for free as well. You can also find the links in the description for them. I believe these 2 are enough for you to learn digital marketing, at least to start with digital marketing. And the more you experience digital marketing, see, I am a digital marketer, so I do content creation as well. Like, I involve digital marketing in my everyday life, so that like I make sure that I perform well in whatever I do. So that is important, because with only experience you can become good with digital marketing. And finally, this is all about digital marketing that you need to know. As I mentioned, you will find the links to learn in the description. Also, if you want to learn more about this stuff, like I regularly talk about this in my YouTube channel, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you feel like it is valuable, please like and share this video in network. Thank you for watching.